Oh no.
What do you have for your tea? What do you have for your tea? What's for tea with Mike Newall?
Welcome to What's for Tea with Mike Newall, episode 12. So that's a whole year, but this is not the Christmas special. Christmas special will be filmed whenever. No Will today because of the current situation with the COVID. So got Nico filming, doing a sterling job as she did in the spring. So today's episode, I'm going to eat this. This is an Iceland pizza. They do very good pizzas actually, Iceland. They do the Gino D'Campo. Iceland do great Gino D'Campo pizzas. These are quite good, only £1.50, but look at it. Look, caution, hot, warning. Even hotter pizza with red and green jalapeno peppers. I love jalapeno peppers. Some people call them jalapenos, but they'd be wrong. Warning, very hot. It normally takes me about 4 minutes to eat another pizza. Oh, this is my Apple Watch. Let's see if my heart rate increases. I mean, because of the heat. It's currently 103 beats per minute. Right, let's get stuck in. Here we go, 14 minutes in the oven. Looks alright. No, that's fine. Oh God. That's literally one bite. I'm feeling it already. Have we gone ready enough? Right. Oh. I'm going to try and not use, like milk and stuff. I was going to try and eat it. Oh my God. Have we gone red in the face? Oh, excuse me. Oh no. You give me the hiccups. I have that with curry sometimes. Not spice on the crust. Oh my God. We'll take a heartbeat. Breathe in a minute. Quickly. 3 minutes in. I don't even think that one I do. It's chilly on it. There's two there. Certainly hotter than there. Extremely. Warning. Caution. Chicken strippers. Spicy. Cooked spicy chicken. Chicken breast, sunflower, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, sugar, dried red bull peppers, never heard of them. Cayenne. Oh no. Cayenne peppers. At least the hiccups have gone. It was at 103. 122. Not even moved my body. It's gone up by 20 beats per minute. I think I'm doing alright, not spice wise. I'm fucking bad spice wise. I'm doing alright time wise. What might slow me down? Only one slice left. I've had that hiccups loads of time in curry houses. I'll get a lamb madras. Sometimes I say, oh, don't dumb it down for me. Don't westernise it. Make it as hot as as you would, in their country. And I quite often get the hiccups. Oh my God. Well, Sunday roast in a bit. That's if I'm not sat on the toilet. 117 heart rate coming back down. Maybe might go for a bit of a workout, innit? So it took me 10 minutes to eat it.
Congratulations. You did it.
Thanks for watching. It was more of an experience than a meal. See you for episode 13. which will be some sort of Christmas special. Nice one.
What do you have for your tea? What do you have for your tea? What's for tea with Mike Newall?